How to change fonts on Weebly, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change fonts on Weebly. So let's get started. You will open up weebly.com and you will get right here. Just log into your Weebly and open up the website that you want to edit. So I have this website, it's a test website, and I'll show you how to change the fonts of your website. So once you are on weebly.com, right? So we get these options at the top. We have build, pages, themes, apps, and more. So you have to go to themes. In theme, you can see we have three options: change theme, change font, and theme options. So you're going to click on change fonts. Here, you will be able to change fonts of all of the different text on your website. We have site title, navigation menu, phone number, headlines, subheadings, paragraph text, links, buttons, image caption. So this is going to be a bulk action that you will be performing. Let's say I want to change the site title. I want to change that font. So you can select it. It will show you the color, the weight, the style, and then we have font right here. So you can select from different fonts available on Weebly. You can see we have hundreds of fonts. You can also add your fonts if you want. So you'll just select the font you want to go for and it will be changed. Similarly, we have like paragraph text. Select it. Select the font from here. Let's say I want to go for Arial. You will select it. Maybe change the color, size, click on done, and all of the paragraph text will be changed. This font right here for all the paragraph text. So this is how you change font with Weebly. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.